Yes, ma'am.
Array searching, array, and one is to find the second largest element in the given array. Array searching, array sorting. Okay, and the 1-2 programs we will discuss on string also from assignment 5. The screen is visible to all of you, right? Is the screen is visible? Now this is my array.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let the length of the array here is, length कितना है 9 है. Now let the array consist of the following element: 3, 4, 5, here is 10, 12, 15, 20, then 31, again we are having 10. Now I want to search an element whether it is present in array or not. So let the element here is, manage with my handwriting, let the element here is 12. So हमें क्या सर्च करना है, whether 12 is present in the array or not. तो हम लोग कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? From where we are going to start? We will start it from the first index location. And वो index location में हम लोगों का क्या value है, we will compare with the element. So the condition here we are going to check if, now let name of the array here is I, A. If A of I is equals to element. Okay, if it is equals to element क्या होगा? Then we will say that एक variable ले लो flag, we can set flag is equals to 1. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, 3 is equals to 12. Condition doesn't satisfy. If the condition will not satisfy, I will move to the next part. अब I कहाँ पर आ जाएगा? It will come to the next index location. Compare 4 with 12. Again, condition doesn't satisfy. I will be updated. Now compare 5 with 12. Again, condition doesn't satisfy. Update the I. Compare 10 with 12. Condition doesn't satisfy. We will update the I. यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? 12 is equals to 12. यहाँ पर हमें element मिल गया. Flag is set to 1. Should I go for further searching or searching चाहिए? If I found the element, should I, we don't need for the further searching. Can I update the value I is equals to the length of the array? That is your n. Or can I write here break statement so that we will come out of the loop when we will find the element? Okay. So now if यहाँ पर क्या है, अगर let our element is 10, अगर मेरा element 10 होता तो वो कहाँ पर break होता? When you are supposed to come out of the loop, when you will find out the first occurrence of the element in the given array. Are you clear? Let me do the programming part here. New class. Check the logic here for linear search. This searching technique is known as our linear search, where we will check each and every element starting from the beginning to the position. जहाँ तक हमें element मिलता है वहाँ तक search करेंगे. अगर element बिल्कुल array में नहीं होता, now let if I will search for 25, तो search कहाँ से होता? It will start from 0, it will end at 8. Then at the end, what message it will be printed? Element not found. If flag is equals to 1 होगा, तुम्हारा मैसेज प्रिंट क्या करेगा? print here you found the element, otherwise what will be the message? Print element not found. Import java.util.scanner scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, so here as we are going to search for the element, in first we are going to declare the space for the array equals to new int 10. Enter the elements for int I equals to 0. I is less than n. I plus plus a of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, यहाँ पर हम लोग लिख सकते हैं a dot length. Okay, as I have not defined n, so here I can write a dot length. Now again use a for loop in order to do the searching part. If I equals to 0, enter the element to be searched int. Element is equals to sc dot next int.
मैम यहाँ पे और एक बार INT देने से तो मैम एरर देगा।
कहाँ पर? आई में देखो ये, हाँ हाँ पता है, यहाँ पर आई फॉर लूप में क्या लिखे हो? int i equals to 0. ओके, ये लूप कहाँ पर? ये i का वेरिएबल, उसका लाइफ टाइम कितना है विद इन द लूप?
नो मैम आई एम सेइंग दैट फिर से अगर INT मैम नीचे जो लिखे हैं 12th नंबर स्टेटमेंट में, मैम फिर से INT देने से मैम मतलब without using INT we can proceed.
नहीं, we can't proceed. देखो यहाँ पे मैं दे दी INT, this is my loop statement, here my loop will terminate. यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? I अपडेट हो गया. Now let me complete the condition part first. Okay, अब यहाँ पर मैं INT हटा दी. देखो क्या आ रहा है? What is written here?
I cannot be variable.
हाँ, create local variable, because ये I है कौन से ब्लॉक के लिए है? It is the local variable. उसका वैलिडिटी कौन से ब्लॉक में है?
मैम 8 से 10 तक.
हाँ, it is valid for only this block itself.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, अगर तुम यहाँ पर int I declare करते हो, then we don't need to write it again for 2 number of times. Okay, now I will be valid for the entire program.
Globally.
Okay, हाँ?
Globally.
हाँ, not, it is not globally. Again ये local है लेकिन कौन से ब्लॉक के लिए? ये मेन प्रोग्राम के लिए लोकल है. Okay, that is local from this bracket to this bracket.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, element. So here यहाँ पर और एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर दो, int flag equals to 0. So here initialize flag equals to 1. Here you can use break or otherwise I will update a dot length. So a dot length होगा भी तो लूप से टर्मिनेट कर जाएगा. If स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पर क्लोज हुआ, for यहाँ पर क्लोज हुआ. So if flag is equals to 0, then क्या होगा? Your element is found or not found? Element is not found. Flag 0 है तो not found होगा. अगर 1 होगा तो found. So we are going to do this one. Your element is found. देखो, I will run the code. Enter the elements. Now let here I will enter the element 2, 34, 11, 23, 14, 15, 16, 17, here 18, and this one is 19. So again it will ask, enter the element to be searched. बोल एक element that you are going to search, 15. So answer क्या आ गया? Here element is found, so it is comparing what? 15 is compared with 2, it doesn't matches. Again 15 is compared with 34, doesn't matches. 15 is compared with 11, doesn't matches. 23 के साथ कंपेयर हुआ, 14 के साथ कंपेयर हुआ, फिर 15 के साथ कंपेयर हुआ. जब यहाँ पे ट्रू हो जाएगा, फ्लैग का वैल्यू कितना सेट हो गया?
1.
1, and it will come out of the loop. Okay, if you want to print the कहाँ पर एलिमेंट है वो अगर प्रिंट करना चाहते हो, then you can write in this way also. I. Okay, I plus 1. यहाँ पर एक ले लो, टेक अनदर वेरिएबल, यहाँ पर j plus 1 comma j. j is equals to I. It will set the location कहाँ पर एलिमेंट है, so j plus 1. Because here I am updating I equals to a dot length. Check, I will run the code again. Four, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, the element to be searched here is, let it be 7. देखो element कौन से location में है? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये क्या हो गया? This one is at 7. Okay, this is how you are going to do the searching part. Are you clear? If you want to write the code, you can write it down. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you get the notes for the method? मिला है तुम्हें? Okay. Array I will provide you. Okay. Okay, should I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let this is my array. Okay, now let my elements of the array are this one. This one is 14, don't get confused. Then 12, 10, 14, 5, 8. How many elements are there? Now the question here is to find the second largest element. How we are going to do it? Second largest. So for this one, we need to go with two variables. एक क्या करेगा? One will store the maximum value. Another variable will store the second max. So max में कितना update करोगे? What is the value you are going to update in max? The same logic. So I कहाँ से शुरू होगा? We will start I is equals to I को कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? We will start the value of I from this location. Okay. So I will be updated from here. So I equals to कितना होगा? I is 1. Then I कहाँ तक जाएगा? It will go up to the length of the array. A dot length. Then I plus plus. Update the value of I. यहाँ पर कंडीशन क्या चेक करोगे? If A of I is greater than max, तो क्या हो जाएगा? अगर मैक्स का जो वैल्यू है वो A of I से बड़ा है तो मैक्स में क्या अपडेट होगा? मैक्स में क्या अपडेट करोगे? A of I और S मैक्स में क्या अपडेट करोगे जो पहले से मैक्स में था? Can I update? So here, can I write the statement S max is equals to max and max is equals to A of I? Is it clear? Now here, यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा? 2. यहाँ पर कितना अपडेट हो गया? 3. Now next value is 13. Now 13, it is greater than max. Condition is true. So max में कितना अपडेट हो जाएगा? 13 and in S max we will update with 3. Next comes with 14. Okay, 14 हो गया. अब max में कितना अपडेट होगा? पहले S max में 13 अपडेट करेंगे. Then max में max will be updated with 14. Come to 15. यहाँ पर 15 हो गया. अब देखो यहाँ 13 है. So 14 will be updated with S max and max will be updated with 15. 12. अब 12 क्या हो गया? What is the value of 12? 12 is greater than 15. Is 12 is greater than 15? If it is not greater than 15, हमें क्या चेक करना पड़ेगा? We need to check whether 12 is greater than the second largest or not. So यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे condition again? If this condition falls, we will move to which one? A of I is greater than S max. A of I का value किससे बड़ा है कि नहीं? S max. Then S max will be updated with A of I. Now let here array का थोड़ा I will change certain values of the array. Now let here I am having 11. Okay, now check it. S max, X max यहाँ पर 11, 15 and now let this value is, I am changing the array. Okay, let I will change the values of the array for this case. Now let me erase this one. 2, 5, 10, 12, 20. Here we are having 15. Okay. Then the next value here I am having 11. So check it. Which one will be the maximum value? In max, initially I will update with 2. Then this one is S max. We will check for the next element. Next element क्या है? 5 है. Now 5 is greater than 2. So S max will be updated with 5. Max will be updated with S max will be updated with 2 and max will be updated with 5. Then I value is incremented by 1. Up 5 10 is greater than 5. Condition is true. If the condition is true, S max में 5 आ गया and max में we are having 10. Again I value will be updated. This one is I. Now 12 greater than 10. Again my condition here is true. So max S max will be updated with 10 and max will be updated with 12. Again I value is updated. Okay. Now 20, it is greater than 12. Condition is true. Max will be updated with 20 and X max will be updated with 12. Now come to this part. I 15 greater than 20. My condition doesn't satisfy. ये हो गया false. So we need to check 15 is greater than 12 or not. Now 15 is greater than 12. Condition is true. So S max will be updated with S max में कितना आ जाएगा? 15. Again I value will be updated. 11 greater than 20. My condition here is false. Again we will check for X max. 11 greater than 15. So condition here is false. So which one is the largest? Largest कौन सा element होगा? Which value is the largest one?
20.
Max. Now if यहाँ पर 20 है and यहाँ पर 20 है, will this logic will work? देखो तो, if I am having 20 here, ये logic काम करेगा? Will this logic will work for this case? हाँ, it will show only one place. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? S max में भी ये logic के हिसाब से S max में कितना update हो जाएगा? 20. But I need in S max कौन सा value आना चाहिए? Which value should be there in S max? 12. तो यहाँ पर और एक क्या लिखेंगे? And यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Max is not equals to S max. Are you clear? Okay. Or here you just write down one statement. A of I is greater than S max and max is not equals to A of I. Okay. Then you are going to update it. Are you clear? Max is not equals to A of I. So I am writing the code here. Check it out. This is again one of the important question. Check it out here. Class. Second large. int equals to new int, that the size of the array here is 10. Okay, so println, enter the elements तो यहाँ पे क्या डालोगे? For int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. A of I is equals to sa dot next int. Okay. Then here take int max comma s max. Okay. So max is equals to a of 0. Then start the loop for int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. So here as I have not updated the value of I can write a dot length. So if a of I is greater than max, so what will be the logic? S max is equals to max and max is equals to a of I. Okay, in the else if part, if a of I is greater than S max and a of I is not equals to max, then I will update S max is equals to a of I. Okay, here it is asking to initialize S max. So leave khatam hua, system.out.println, second largest element is, other way you can do the sorting करके भी तुम find out कर सकते हो, but in case of sorting it will take n square time because there you need two loops, but in this case you are just going with a single loop to find out the value. Are you clear? Now I will run the code. Just tell me the elements. 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 10, 12, 20, 15, 10, 20, 8, 11, 9. So here the second largest element here is, कितना आ गया? What is the answer here you are getting?
15.
15. Are you clear? So agar a of I is greater than max, means here 20 is greater than 12. It is true. So S max will be updated with 12 and max will be updated with 20. So when it comes to 15, it is not greater than, तो हम लोग S max में check करेंगे 15. It is greater than 20. Condition doesn't satisfy. Sorry, 15 greater than, क्या हो जाएगा? 12. Condition is true, and these two values are not same. So max is updated with 15. Now comes to 20. यहाँ पर 20 greater than 20. My condition here is false. It will check here again. 20 greater than 15. Condition क्या हो जाएगा? True. And a of I में कितना है? 20 not equals to 20. यहाँ पर क्या हो गया?
False.
True, false, false. So S max will not be updated. Okay. So this is the case why we need for these two statements in order to find the second largest element. Are you clear? You know the sorting algorithm, bubble sort? Bubble sort पता है तुम लोग को? Do you know how we will do the sorting part? There is a method array.sort. वो क्या करेगा? Now this is my array element. I need to arrange the elements of the array. So arrange कैसे करेंगे? How we are going to arrange the elements of the array? Output क्या आना चाहिए? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay, one method is there. A dot sort. So वो क्या करेगा अपने आप? It will arrange the elements in increasing order. But we are not supposed to use this method. बिना method use करके I will tell you the simple sorting algorithm. पहले क्या compare करेंगे? 3. We will compare it with 4. Which one is the smaller element? 3 is smaller, so there will be no change. Again, 3 will be compared with
1.
1. So in the second time, यहाँ पर कितना आ गया? 1, 4, then 3. You can go with anyway. 10, 5, 6. उसके बाद किसको किसको compare करोगे? 1 and 10. So there will be no change. So we are just going to compare two elements. The other way is, I'm just clearing the screen. This is one way you can do the sorting, and the other way is this one. 3, 5, 1, 10. This one is 6, 12, and this one is 11. So first compare these two. Okay, which one is the smallest element?
3.
3. So 3 जहाँ पर है वो वहीं पर रहेगा. There will be no change.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in the next round we will compare कौन सा दो का element को compare करेंगे? 5 and
5
1.
and 1.
So what will be there? यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पर
5.
5. Again compare these two elements. So will there be any change? यहाँ पर कुछ change होगा?
No, ma'am.
So again compare 10 and 6. कुछ change होगा?
Yes, ma'am. 6, 10.
यहाँ पर 6 आ गया, यहाँ पर 10 आ गया. Compare this two. Will there any change?
No change.
No change. Again compare this two. यहाँ पर कुछ change होगा?
11, 12.
So यहाँ पर कितना आ गया? 11. And here you will have
12.
12. So this one is the simplest sorting technique. 3. Here you will have 1, 5, 6, 10, 11 and 12. In the next round, compare this two. यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा? 1. And here you will have
3.
3. Again 3, 5. There will be no change. 5, 6 कुछ change होगा?
No, ma'am.
6, 10,
No, ma'am.
10, 11,
No.
11, 12.
No.
No change. So how we are going to write the code?
Then we will take 2 loops.
Here we need a 2 loop. One loop it will and this sorting algorithm is known as?
Bubble sort.
This is your bubble sort. Okay, the initially, okay, so I'm writing out here. Sorter. Import java.util.scanner is equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, then From dot out, enter the elements and declare the array first. Int a equals to new int that I have declared with size 7. So for int I equals to 0, I is less than 7, I plus plus. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? A of I is equals to sa dot next int. Now for sorting, कितना loop लोगे? One loop. It will run for the variable declare कर दो. Temp declare one variable or int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. And take another loop that we will check कहाँ पर कुछ गलत होता है. और j equals to 0, j is less than a dot length minus 1. Okay, so every time क्या होगा? When we are doing the sorting, last में क्या आ गया? Which value is being placed in the last? The largest element is placed. So can I reduce the length of the array by 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here this loop will be written for this one. Okay, j, let me complete my statement first, then you will write it. Okay, so here length is 7, so here I am writing directly of length minus 1, here minus I, so minus 1. Then next statement, here we will do the swapping, interchange करेंगे. So here it will be a of j is equals to, next value add हो, change होगा j plus 1. as यहाँ पर क्या कौन सा दो वैल्यू कंपेयर हो रहा है? We are comparing this two value. So अगर ये j हुआ तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? j plus 1. And I, it will determine how many pass or iterations will be there. Okay, a of j plus 1 is equals to 10. Okay. So here we have done the sorting. Now in order to print the elements for int, हाँ बोलो. Yes.
Ma'am, we should add condition.
Yes, yes. हाँ वो comparison by condition होगा. I have skipped that line. If
Yes.
a of j swapping कब होगा? Then we will compare the two value. If it is greater than j plus 1. Okay. Then the if statement will terminate. Plus plus. Out.println, here it will be enough. Let me run the code. X 1 2 5 3 9. Okay. Do you find the elements in the sorted order? Again, I will run the
Yes,
code.
ma'am.
I will place the largest element in the beginning. 2, then 12, 3, 5, 6, 7. देखो, so पहले क्या हो जाएगा, the largest element will be kept at the last position. Length of the array, it will be reduced to what? Initially 7 होगा, यहाँ पर कितना हो जाएगा? 6. Again it for another pass. Again you need to sort. तो second largest को यहाँ पर place करोगे. So similarly the process will repeated until and unless all the elements are get sorted. Okay. So this technique is known as your bubble sort. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next question from string. One question I will discuss it from string. In your assignment, this one is the program. यहाँ पर आ जाओ. Question number 11. Here it is asked, write a method to find the number of occurrence of a specific character in the string using the following header. तो तुम्हें क्या करना है? From the string you need to find out the occurrence of a character. Okay, and you need to count कितना occur हुआ है. That character is present for how many number of times?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here how you are supposed to write the code?
मैम लूप में कैर कंपेयर करेंगे, अगर वो
हाँ.
उसमें मिलता है तो काउंट इंक्रीमेंट कर देंगे.
Okay, this is the last program. I will do it. Okay, accordingly this question is also, ये जो है number of vowels, it will be वो वैसे ही होगा. Okay, यहाँ पर बस एक if statement होगा. Just check the question number 11 first. Here the name of the string is occurrence. Number of occurrence. I think I have the code with me. One second. So, here. Wait. Static. Count. Let here the method name here is count. ये return करेगा what? It will return a integer value. Input क्या दिया जाएगा? String. Okay. String is and character. As we are going to check a character is present in the string or not. Character ch. So here int c. Now it is the count variable. It will be updated to 0. Then the loop for int I is equals to 0. I is less than, here the string dot. अब देखो string में method क्या है? It is a method. In string length is a method, but in array it is a array में क्या होगा? If ch is equals to s dot char at I. then we will update the count. ये for loop खत्म हुआ. Return, which value you are going to return? Return C. And in main function, scanner SC equals to new scanner system.in enter the string. Then enter the character. So यहाँ पर character के लिए क्या लोगे? Char ch. So for character, what you are going to take? sc dot next dot char at 0. Okay, now number of occurrence of character is यहाँ पर कितना होगा? Call the method number of occurrence. Okay, here pass the string s comma pass the character. So character के लिए क्या लिया गया है? ch.
Then count method.
Okay, यहाँ पर count है. हाँ, just count. Okay, here you are going to take the count method. Run the code. It will just linear search का ही logic डाला गया है यहाँ पर. So here you are going to enter the elements. मतलब string input करना है. Enter the string. Production. So enter the character. Let the character here is n. So the number of occurrence of the character here is 2. तो linear search में क्या आता था? If it will be matches, हम लोग क्या करते थे? Break करके आ जाते थे. But instead of it, यहाँ पर क्या update होगा? Here we will update the count value. Okay, एक count 0 लेंगे, that is going to be updated. Okay, so here यहाँ पर और एक दिया गया है, write the count method. It will count the number of vowels. तो vowels count करने के लिए क्या करोगे? Same logic. यहाँ पर क्या लिखा जाएगा बस?
मैम और करके.
हाँ, क्या लिखोगे? A E I O
U.
Okay, s dot char at I is equals to A, or s dot char at I equals to E. Okay, you need to write those statement. Okay, this one is 11, 12, and to string palindrome same. पहले reverse निकालोगे, उसके बाद palindrome check करोगे. Are you clear? Okay, check the codes correctly. Right here, this is your string. Okay. You have another assignment, assignment 7. It is on array. And the important parts we have already discussed in the class. The things that are important I have already discussed with you in the class. बस एक रह गया है. Check for the duplicate removal. Okay, do this program and send me the code to remove duplicate element. Okay, to remove duplicate element, we have left with this one, to remove the duplicate element. So try this code. I will share you with the lecture notes of the array. Okay. Anyone having any doubt?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how will the practical exams will be conducted?
The practical exams you will be notified. Okay.
Okay.
The process will be informed to you. Just wait. Have you completed your assignment part? Submit कर चुके हो?
The minor project?
हाँ?
Yes, I have submitted.
Yes. Okay. Okay. You will get the instruction for the lab assignment also. Okay. First prepare for the semester exam. Okay.
Okay.
You practice the output based questions.
In between this, will any notice for assignment submission of 5 and 6?
No, I don't think so. You start
Okay, ma'am.
preparing for the exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you written the assignments of the 5 का assignment लिख के रखे हो तो?
Ma'am, somewhat, like not complete.
Okay. Okay then. You all have to get. हाँ बोल कुछ.
Ma'am, can you give us the output based question on methods?
Output based questions on method. Okay, I will provide you few. Okay.
Ma'am, are you also
Yes, Akanksha.
the output based question?
I will provide you few. Okay, you can leave. Those you want to leave, you can leave. I will say. You check the website. I think tomorrow is holiday. Tomorrow is holiday. So thank you all. All the best for your exams. Okay, any doubt you can.